What's going on, everyone? Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV-MC, and today we're showing you an item that every rider should have, whether it's a dirt bike or UTV, which is a first aid kit from Tusk. All right, everyone, thank you so much for checking in. If you do not have a first aid kit yet, you should. It doesn't matter if you're doing an adventure ride, if you're out in your UTVs having a good time, or riding your dirt bike. I know we've all thought, yeah, I should probably get a first aid kit put together. A lot of us procrastinate that, but trust me, you'll be so glad that you have one in the event that you do need it. And that is why today we're showing you this first aid kit from Tusk. This is a great starting point. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that this has every single item that you might want in a first aid kit, but it's a really good starting point. There's over 20 items inside here. So I'm gonna go through, we'll show you some of the items that do come included. I'm not gonna go through everything, but remember, just click on the link in the description of this video, go to the product page, and you can see everything that's included in this. I also do wanna point out that for you adventure riders, we also do have the quick draw pouch, which attaches to adventure luggage with molly sticks. And this was actually designed with a first aid kit in mind. So that's a great accessory that goes with the Tusk luggage that this will fit inside no problem. That being said, let's just go through, show you some of the major items or key items that are in this first aid kit. So starting out, pair of scissors, got tweezers, you've got tape, bandages. So you've got gauze bandages, you've got your regular bandages, you've got burn cream, you've got Q-tips inside here. You even have a whole bunch of alcohol pads that you're gonna need to clean a wound before you dress it. Again, a lot of different size bandages, which is really nice. Adhesive wound dressing. You've got even burn dressings inside here, ice pack, nitrile gloves, which you want to have, especially if you're working on somebody, if there's blood involved. So there's a lot of really good items inside here. And again, this isn't everything. Like I said, there's over 20 things in here. So go list or read everything that does come included. And again, if there's other items that you think you'd want to have in your first aid kit, and don't just think about, something like this. When you're putting an emergency kit together, think about, do you have to stay the night over somewhere? Do you need a space blanket? Do you need something to start a fire? Things like that that you could add to your emergency first aid kit. So keep that in mind. If you have questions or comments, or if you have good feedback about items that you have in your first aid kit, we would love to hear that. For someone that's just getting started, maybe not quite sure, your input and feedback is really going to help those riders out. If you have questions about other items that we take with us, we are more than happy to share that feedback with you. But again, if you haven't put a first aid kit together, this is a really good starting point to take with you on all your rides. You can buy an extra one if you want to keep in your vehicle as well. So go get your first aid kit, get that started today, and be prepared for whatever might happen. If you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered. So make sure to leave those in the comment section below. To grab one, like I said, click on the link in the description of this video, or just head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. These are great, affordable price point. You're right about 20 bucks. As always, we ship for free over $75. And if you like this video, if you like adventure riding, if you like UTV content, dirt bikes, everything, we are the #1 place to go to get stuff like that. So get subscribed, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and we will see you on the trails.